to give people a tour of our garden? Come on. Let's show them what we have. Do you want to tell them what we have in our garden? What do we have in our first bed here?
Lettuce.
Okay, what else?
Turnips.
Right, in another bed, right here we have dill that's coming up.
Yeah.
Cilantro we planted but hasn't sprouted yet. Then we have parsley. And then what's really exciting are our nasturtiums over there in the corner. That'll be beautiful flowers, right? Okay, you want to show them the next one? Come on. What do we have here?
I'll tell that Grandpa Mimi.
Okay, we'll tell Grandpa and Mimi too. But look, we have rosemary,
Yeah.
sage in the back, thyme here, and then what do we have here? Swiss chard growing right here. What's cool about the Swiss chard is that they probably should have been up by now and ready to harvest, but I thought they were weeds, so I pulled them out, right? You remember that?
Yeah.
When we were pulling weeds? And then we've got spinach growing. We're doing some succession planting, so we've got spinach over here that we've already harvested, and then we're planting another round right here. What's in our last one? What do we have over here?
Pop chili.
Yeah, what's in the middle?
Mimi some kale.
Yeah, and then what's in the middle here? What's in this row? Is lettuce.
Lettuce.
And then these are our Hakurei turnips. And you know what's fun? Did you see these? Did you see these?
Yeah.
Look, you see them coming up? Those are the little white turnips. Isn't that cool? They're popping up. And then we have two different types of radishes, one that's going to be red and one yellow. And then all this arugula that we've already started to eat. Yeah? And then we are doing some succession planting as well. And in the back, you've got more turnips and more of those beets. So once we harvest the first round, we'll have the second round ready to go and plant. Oh, and then what do we have in the middle here that we're growing? Chives, right? Because a lot of the pak choi and the kale, pests love them. So we plant the chives to confuse the pests, right?
Yeah.
All right, high five.
I'll see.
All right, say bye.